this is Kainat, and today I want to start this video with one question, and that is, do you know the simplest habit can change your entire life? Yes, guys, there is one habit that can change your entire life, and that is everyday reading habit. Guys, reading is not just a habit, it is the transformation of your mind. When you read a lot, your thinking become better and clearer. And when your thinking become better, your words become stronger and different. And keep one thing in your mind that when your words become stronger, people often listen to you differently. And when people start listening to you differently, your confidence arrives. And this is what everyone wants. Everyone wants to arise their confidence. So this is also the way of arising the confidence. What? Reading. So reading quickly changes, okay, from your inside mind to your outside personality. So that's why if you want to change your entire life, okay, don't start with biggest action. Only start with one single and simple page. Now what you have to do is all about don't wait for motivation, okay. Open your book today and try to become the best version of yourself. And if you people want me to suggest you any kind of good book for reading, by the way, every book is good. I'm not saying this is good, this is bad. No, every book is good. And today I also have some books to show to you all that which one is good and which one is easy for you to read. So first one is Atomic Habits. This is one of the best book. If you people want to develop your habit regarding to anything, you can read this book. Okay. And the second book is Don't Believe Everything You Think. This is also a wonderful book. So you may take this. And then is The Psychology of Money. This book will be according to how to earn money mostly. Psychology of Money. Okay. So you may also buy this. And then is 0 to 1. I still couldn't read this and I will read this. Then is Think and Grow Rich. Okay. Think and Grow Rich. I think everybody needs this book because everybody wants to think and grow rich. This is also wonderful. And then is Art of Laziness. Wonderful for every that person who is lazy. The Art of Being Alone. The Art of Reading Minds. Wow, Art of Reading Minds. Not bad, it's wonderful. The 48 Laws of Power. It is not only wonderful but also supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, exceptional and incredible book. The 48 Laws of Power. You must read this. Okay? So read books and change your life. Thank you.